Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to boiling egg, perfect egg. Just come out perfect egg, okay? So come on, let's do it. Okay, first I have 10 egg. I'm gonna show you how to boiling perfect egg. This is gonna be the best because I'm learning for so long to doing the perfect egg boiling, okay? So right here, the water, I'm gonna go start boiling water first. When you wanna boil perfect egg, you have to boil the water first. When they get hot, then I'll show you how to drop how many minutes become perfect, okay? Okay, I come back another 5 minutes, okay? Okay, after 8 minutes, the water boiling right now. When the water boiling, so go ahead, just put this down. I'm going two at a time. Okay, you start from the water boiling, okay? I'm gonna go 10 egg because I have 10 of them. Go ahead, finish it up. Just boil it. Okay, start from now. I'm start from the time egg 39. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead egg 48. So egg 48, only 8 minutes. Whatever you do, you just boiling 8 minutes perfect. Gonna be perfect cook, okay? 8 minutes only. Alright, let them boil it, okay? Okay, the egg boiling 48 minutes. Gonna go ahead, turn off right away. Let's go to the cold water right here. Okay. So now I'm gonna go ahead to drain this out, the hot water out right away, and then go cold water the best you can. Now, when you leave in the cold water, let them stay in like half hour at least so you can peel off very easy. Perfect peel off the egg and perfect cooking egg yolk. Go ahead, just put the cold water the best you can. Alright, let it stay here until they cool down. When they cool down, and I'm gonna peel off, show you how to peel off. It's gonna be very easy to peel off, and egg yolk come out perfectly. Okay, let them stay in there. Okay guys, the eggs already cool down now. I'm gonna show you how to crack this egg, but perfect come out, okay? Alright. Take one. I'm gonna go ahead. First, you're gonna go this one first, okay? Bottom and top, okay? Like this. That's how you crack the egg, and then you're gonna go around like this, okay? And go ahead, peel off. Oh wow, look at this. See that? Perfect come out. See that? Oh my god. See that? Easy. Very easy. See that? Very easy. How good is that? Okay. You have to soak in the cold water enough time, okay? Now I'm gonna do over again. See that? Oh wow, look at this. So easy. You know, some people they have problem when they crack the egg, they peel up the egg, right? No, not mine. Mine is very easy. Yeah, keep going. If you follow me, you can boil the egg. The way I'm boiling right here, perfect, okay? Alright. So easy. Look at that. Perfect. Okay. To see if I cook perfect egg yolk. We'll see because I cooked last time perfect. This time should be, oh yes, see that? Perfect. See that? Perfect. Because I don't want to be so yolk, just kind of tight a little bit. Look at this. Oh yes, perfect. Look at this. Perfect. Oh yes, look at this. Oh yes, perfect. Perfect. How good is that? Perfect cooking egg, guys. Easy to peel and perfect cooking. If you want more yolk, you can go only 7 minutes, okay? But I go 8 minutes, so that's why I cut it a little bit tight. This is perfect right here. Okay, this is seasoning soy sauce, guys. If you want to eat the way I'm eat with sticky rice, gonna be soy sauce, okay? I'm gonna go ahead put the soy sauce in here. Okay, just like that. And then we have boiling egg with soy sauce, okay? Now I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle a little bit cilantro, spring onion, just like that. See that? Nice, right? Oh my goodness, this is easy fix, guys. Very easy to eat and simple. Cooking in no time. Okay, I have hot sauce right here. I make this hot sauce sell to the Thai market. I'm use my own hot sauce, sisu sauce. Okay, just go ahead a little bit. If you like spice, just a little bit. If you don't like, just only soy sauce, you're good to go. Okay, but I put a little bit soy sauce, see, hot sauce, just like that. But this is very spicy. I'm just add on to make a taste. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to steam perfect sticky rice. This is sticky rice I soaked in the water about 4 hours ago. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to steam this. Go ahead, fill up the water in the pot right here. This is pot right here, special for steam sticky rice. If you don't have this, you can steam in the bucket somewhere with the people do different kind of thing, but this is, you know, where I'm from, we always steam sticky rice in this pot right here. Okay, all right, the water in. Okay, this is bamboo bucket. This is special bamboo bucket for allow family to using this when we steam sticky rice. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead to show you how to do this. Okay, first I'm gonna use the bowl because this is have the shape cannot stand on their own. Okay, so I have to use that's the bowl right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead put the rice in here. Just like that, okay, and then the bowl holding the bucket. Whatever I have left over, just put all in here. But steam sticky rice for us, for the Lao family, they love sticky rice. We can eat sticky rice with anything. We eat steam rice too, but we love sticky rice, especially the children in here. They love sticky rice. Okay, now I'm done already. I'm gonna go ahead and take off this one. Here, this part right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on top right there. Okay, and turn off the light, the heat. Steam 15 minutes of each side. Okay, let them steam. I'm gonna go ahead and cover this, and I have the top right here. When you cover this, when you steam, they become moist and cover evenly cooking. 15 minutes one side, 15 minutes other side. Okay, let them cook for 15 minutes. I'll show you another 15 minutes. Okay, all right, let's let them do it. Okay, 15 minutes already done. I'm gonna show you when 15 minutes. You see that the rice cook cover. I'm gonna show you how to turn over. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna take off from the pot right here. When you turn over, I have to do like put it down to show you. This is the bucket right here. We cook old fashioned. So you gotta go ahead, put down like this, okay, and turn over just like that. Turn over. See, the bottom come up now. Okay, put back in the pot. Put back in the pot. Go ahead, turn over a little bit. Just make it even moist. Okay, just like that. So simple. And then cover again. Another 15 minutes, I'm done. Okay, let them cook for 15 minutes. Okay, my rice already done. 30 minutes total. Now, this is bucket to put sticky rice. Okay, this is bamboo sticky rice. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to save sticky rice, make stay warm for a long time. I got 3 of them, one small, one medium, and one large. So go ahead, use Ziploc bag right here. Small one Ziploc bag, sandwich Ziploc bag. But I don't want to let my rice stay in the bucket, so just put the bag like that. If you go to restaurant, they do the same thing. Okay, and go ahead, put all of it here. Okay, and the last one right here. Go ahead, put this Ziploc bag. Just like that. If you don't have that, that's fine. You don't have that, you just put Ziploc bag. You'll be okay too. But I have this is a, my culture. We're using this. Okay, now rice ready. Okay, right here. See that? Done. I'm gonna go ahead. Make them even each other because there's some warm, some moist. Some moist, some over moist. Just go ahead, do this. Turn over again to make it evenly. This sticky rice right here is so good, guys. If you want that, you have to go to Thailand market to buy jasmine sticky rice. They call sweet rice. The Korean rice they have too, but Korean not very good. Thai rice, jasmine Thai sticky rice. Okay. All right. This is okay now. Gonna go ahead. Put this in the bucket right here. Okay, put bucket right here. Just like that. Cover up. Yeah, cover up. Just do like this and then put this cover and that stay warm. That's it. This one, second one right here. Like that, and stay warm. This is like one serving. If some people eat a lot, maybe need more than I need, but for me, that's a lot, one serving. This is bigger one. Go ahead, put it in here. This one eat like 2 people, 2 or 3 people. Depend how much hungry you have. Just like that. Okay, perfect steam sticky rice, guys. Perfect. Covered by the bag like that. So good. You can eat by themselves. You can eat by themselves just like that. Eat by the hand, or you can put salt a little bit. That's it. Done. There you have it, guys. Sticky rice. There you have it. Sticky rice done. Okay. That's done, so you can eat. This is for tomorrow. You can warm up microwave 1 minute, the whole thing like that, and it warm up for you. Or you can finish today if you have big family. And done. Okay. Alright, guys. Gonna go ahead. Put it back because I'm not eating right now. I'm just preparing. Okay. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to eat this egg with sticky rice. Everything seasoning already. I'm using the small one right here for me. You can eat with anything you want, but for me, I love sticky rice. Just by the hand like that. I'm gonna go ahead. Just like that. Just bite right there. Yummy. There you have it. Enjoy. So good. Yep, so good. Another bite. Just like that. So good. Thank you for watching. Next time I'm gonna show you a different thing. Follow me, subscribe so you can see more video I make, okay? Alright guys, thank you, bye bye.